Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to install Split APKs in Android. So these are the file types we have for the Android mobile. Go to the Play Store, search for SAI in here, SAI, and install it. Open it up. Now click on Install APKs, click on Allow. Now go to the folder where you have those files, and let's install this XAPK file first, the Udemy. Select it. Now it wants us to enable use zip file API. Okay, click on OK, go to the settings, scroll to the last, and here you can see this option, use zip file API. Turn it on, go back to the installer, click on Install APKs, go to the download, and now select it, and it will successfully install. Go to the settings, turn this option on to give the access to SAI for installing the apps. Go back and click on install, and the app has been successfully installed. Click on OK. Don't show again. Now let's install other type also. Download, and this time we're gonna go for the zip file .zip. Select it, install, and successfully installed. Click on OK. Now the last one remains .apks. Okay, this one, select it, and now it is again showing us error. So this is because we have turned that option on, which was zip file API, right? So we have to disable that option first. Okay, go to the settings, turn this option off, zip file API, go to the installer again, and this time if we install this .apks, select it, it will successfully install, right? Click on install, and it has been successfully installed. Click on OK. Let us quickly install this APK also. Select it, and you can see that it is showing us does not contain any certificates. Click on OK, go to the settings, scroll down, and click on sign APKs. Turn this option on. Okay, go to the installer again, install APKs, go to that file and select it, and select. Now it will install without any kind of problems. Install it, and we have successfully installed. Click on OK. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.